Hello beauties, you're welcome to GLOWRITE Beauty World and Skincare channel. If you are new to our channel, you are very much welcome. It's good to have you here. This channel is all about skincare and how to formulate effective skincare products which are 100% organic and chemical free. And here on this channel, we share skincare tips and DIY recipes that will help you to achieve a smooth, flawless, and even-toned complexion. So beauties, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an effective whitening cream. I have a lot of requests about how to make a whitening cream, whitening face cream to be precise. So this whitening face cream is totally amazing. It's going to help you to clear dark spots, blemishes, redness, and reactions. It causes your face to appear more brighter, youthful, and eventually whitens your face. So if you also have problems with pimples and acne, it's going to also help you to prevent and also treat it. So there are no chemicals, harsh chemicals used. This product is pro-mixed. So I'll be showing you the process, and every product that we used here was carefully selected. So if you're interested in this type of video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below for any clarification or feedback or even inquiries on how to purchase our products. Just go ahead and drop a comment below. We'll attend to you. Thank you so much. So now let's get a clean mixing bowl and a spatula. The first product I'll be adding is the Nano Extra White Cream. This product is very good. It's for spots remover, and it contains kojic clear action and papaya extract. So you can look up on the net and see the ingredients, the amazing benefits that the ingredients have. So I'll be using just 2 of these, and this helps gradually to whiten your face. So the next product I'll be using is called Pata Pata Cream. This is good for the skin to clear dark spots, blemishes, discolorations, sunburn, and helps to whiten the face. So I'll be using 2 of these. And the next I'll be using is the La Carosi cream. This is a triple action cream for whitening the skin. So it helps to give a radiant, smooth, and flawless skin. So I'll be using just 2 of it. I'll be using New Skin. It's a treatment skincare product. So it has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties to help to treat or prevent skin rashes, skin reactions, and others. So I'll be using just 1 of it. This is called Rapid White. It's a serum. So it helps to whiten the skin. It helps to clear dark spots, blemishes, sunburn. It also helps to treat eczema and skin rashes. I'll be using just 1 of it. I'll be using Dr. James whitening milk cream as a base for whitening, for this whitening face cream. So it's good for the skin, and it contains safe ingredients that makes the skin appear softer, smoother, and youthful. The next thing to do is to start adding and mixing all the products together. So carefully watch as I do that, and yes, I would like you to carefully observe and watch. So if you are new and you have watched this video to this point, kindly hit the subscribe button and join our amazing community. Thank you. So on a separate bowl again, I'll be adding giga white powder in 30 grams. So I will dissolve the powder and add it into the facial cream that I'm making. And I will properly stir it so that it can mix up and activate the other products. Next, I will be adding is 30 ml of glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is a type of alpha hydroxy acid. And glycolic acid works by removing the top layers of dead skin cells. So with this glycolic acid in this face cream, it will help to reverse sun damage to the skin. The next that I will be adding is 30 ml of pink whitening oil. This is a whitening activator to help to boost the effectiveness of this product. Once you add the whitening activator, just make sure that you stir very well immediately so that the activator, the whitening oil, can go around the products before we can now add the next ingredient. So the last one I'll be adding is 30 ml of preservatives. I'm adding this so that our product can last longer and be free from bacteria. So I'm going to quickly give it a good stir because some ingredients need to act immediately. So you need to stir, mix up immediately. All right. And now with the help of this electric hand blender, I will properly mix all ingredients and products together. It will also help to give it a smooth mixture. When making a face cream, you need to be careful and only select safe ingredients or products, and also be mindful of skin types, especially if you are formulating for clients. So that's pretty much it. For the whitening face cream, you need to use it in the morning or in the night after bathing, and make sure you exfoliate too for faster results. We'll have more contents like this. If you find it helpful, kindly subscribe and join the community. You can also send us a message on any of our socials. Our WhatsApp number is on the screen. Thank you so much and see you in our next video.